Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Figma for Instagram posts. First, let's set up your canvas. Open Figma and create a new file. For Instagram, a square post is usually 1080 by 1080 pixels. This ensures your design fits perfectly. Next, we'll explore how to bring in your images and add compelling text. We'll also cover some fundamental design tips to make your post stand out. Now, let's get creative with your post. Figma offers powerful shape tools to build unique graphic elements. Experiment with rectangles, circles, and custom shapes to enhance your layout. Remember to choose a consistent color palette and fonts that reflect your brand. Organizing your layers is crucial for a smooth workflow, ensuring your design remains clean and easy to edit. Bringing your design to life involves integrating high-quality visuals and impactful text. Drag and drop your images directly into Figma, then resize and position them. Select fonts that are easy to read, even on smaller screens, and adjust their size appropriately. Don't shy away from using subtle effects like shadows or gradients to give your post a professional, three-dimensional feel. You've created an amazing Instagram post, and now it's time to share it. To export, select your frame and choose a high-resolution format like PNG or JPG. Make sure to optimize the file size so it loads quickly on Instagram without compromising quality. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy posting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.